So tonight we're going to make tacos here at home because it's cheaper than eating out every night, and we have a kitchen at our disposal. And I'm going to make my own salsa verde. I learned how to make this while we were in Morelos with our friend Luis's family. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make traditional salsa verde with tomates, chiles de serrano, onion, and garlic. Real simple. Here we go. Here, I'm cutting up some tomatillos. In Mexico, they're known simply as tomates, but in Canada or the United States, you'll find them as tomatillos in the grocery store. Everything just needs to be halved, and I'm just going to peel the garlic. No need to chop it up. It's going in the blender anyway. So we've just cut up all of our vegetables. We heated up the oil, nice low heat for the oil. And we put all of our vegetables all together in the pan. We're gonna let them simmer on low until they get really nice and soft. So this is gonna take a few minutes. And then once we're done, everything goes in the blender. Don't be afraid to play with the ingredients here. If you want something that's a little spicier, you can use green or yellow habanero peppers, or if you want something that's milder, jalapenos work really well. Or maybe you want red salsa, and in that case, you can use regular old red Roma tomatoes. And you might want to use a red chile, like dried chiles de arbol, or dried chile guajillos, which can be found in Latin American grocery stores or sometimes in the international aisle in Walmarts or large chain grocers. If you want something spicier, you can use red habanero peppers. Just remember to wear gloves to protect your hands if you're using habaneros. To ensure you haven't made your salsa too spicy, only add one piece of chile to the blender at a time. All of your ingredients will be a bit spicy from frying in the same pan as the chiles. If you want your salsa to be spicier, you can add more pieces of chiles to the blender as you go. Don't be shy to add all the oil and crunchy bits from the bottom of the pan. By this time, they're infused with the flavor from all the other ingredients. The best part of making salsa, of course, is eating it. Salsa verde is my favorite. It's a little fruitier than red salsa and goes great with beef tacos, like the cecina we have here, or on eggs. A little fresh onion, tomato, and cilantro, and a squeeze of lime brings everything together nicely. So this salsa is awesome. Took about 10 minutes to make, super easy. 5 ingredients. I added a little bit of salt just because I felt it was a little bit fruity. But there is literally no excuse to be buying salsa from the grocery store when you can have fresh salsa made in less than 15 minutes at home with ingredients that are easily found at the grocery store. Buen provecho! Buen taco.